Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another real quick video on the E39 M5. If you guys saw my video a while back that I filmed, I went ahead and put some 15mm wheel spacers on the front of the car. I'm running the stock staggered wheel setup on this, and I was pretty happy with the spacers with the 15mm, which I have here on the front, but after having them on the car, just being able to look at it and did a little bit of extra measuring, I decided that I probably could get away with going out a little bit more, equally on the front and the rear. So rather than just running the 15mm front spacers I have now and no spacer in the rear, I decided to try out a set of 5mm rear spacers and 20mm for the front. So on this side, like I mentioned, this is just the 15 in the front and stock in the rear. And on this side over here, we have the 20 in the front and the 5 in the rear. So I've only had these on for a little bit, and just from driving around and looking at it and just kind of letting it sit and simmer, I actually think this is the way to go. So I think I'm very happy with this look. I don't want to get really aggressive with the spacers and go out too far, but these bring the wheels nice and flush with the fender wells, and that's essentially all I was trying to do. And if we go over here and compare it back, you can see that this side just sits in just a little bit more. And I've had these spacers on for about a week. I haven't been driving the car around. I've just been left it here in the driveway so that way I can pull it out and look at it from different angles. And, you know, like I said, by having one side set up with the smaller spacers and the other one with the large, I went back and forth, and it just kind of gave me some time to decide which setup's best for me. And ultimately, I think it's going to be the 5 in the rear, which you can see here, and the 20 in the front. And we'll bring this around to the other side. And this is the 15 in the front and stock rear. Alright guys, go ahead and put your comments below. I want to know what you guys think is the best combination for spacers. If you guys are running a combination that's different than the 5 and the 20 or the 15, please let me know. I want to hear what you guys are running, and thanks for watching.